So tanawa guys, nasa siya tambok-tambok nga po siya panit. Punuhay. This looks like meat and it also tastes like meat. Let's take some. Let's top it up with our bell pepper. Red bell pepper. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video we're gonna be making our vegan or vegetarian humba. And before we start cooking guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Barbz Kitchen, and click the bell icon for more videos. So what we are actually doing right now is we are washing the seitan, or what we call gluten. So this is just basically made of flour and made into dough, and then we just wash it in clear running water until we're able to take away all the starch from this flour. And basically this will end up like this. Alright guys, so our water is already boiling and I'm already done washing all of our seitan here. So this will be put directly into this boiling water. And we'll just need to get back to that after around 15 to 20 minutes. So our seitan is already boiling for like 15 minutes. You just have to wait for another 10 minutes for this to completely cook. And don't worry guys, I'll be making another video, a step-by-step process on how to make seitan. So we'll just have to wait for another 10 minutes and we'll take that off the fire. Alright guys, so our seitan is done. I already cut this into bite size, like adobo size. And we'll just have to sprinkle a bit of soy sauce just to give color. And just mix it and then just fry it. See, we'll just have to put a little bit of color into our seitan and we'll fry this so we can make this into our humba. Okay. Alright guys, so these are our spices for our vegan humba. This is satvik, meaning to say there's no onion and there's no garlic in it. Since this is actually gonna be offered to the Lord, this will be used in the temple later. So we're not gonna be using satvik, we're not gonna be using onions and garlic. But you can actually use them, use onion and garlic for your preference. So I have here like soaked Shitaki Mushroom, Laurel leaves, star anise, Azucenas, our green chilies, our Paminta seeds, our ginger, and our red bell peppers for garnish later. And I'm also using this juice from fruit cocktail. I'm also using this juice from fruit cocktail, and we'll also gonna be using a little bit of vinegar, soy sauce, and sugar, black pepper as well. While waiting for our seitan to fry completely, we need to prepare the sabaw. Okay, so I have here like the juice from our fruit cocktail, around 1/2 cup of soy sauce because humba is soy sauce based, and around 1/4 cup of vinegar and sugar. We'll just have to adjust the taste once we're done offering our humba. And this water from our Shitaki Mushroom. Alright, let's blend in spices together. Our ginger, our star anise, laurel leaves, we have our paminta seeds, green chilies, of course our shiitake mushroom, our azucenas, half of our red bell pepper, just mix, and I have here our pure vegetarian mushroom powder. Just around 1 tablespoon will do, and as I said earlier, we'll just have to adjust later once everything is offered. Black pepper, salt, mix. What we are actually cooking right now is actually good for 25 to 30 people, so I might be adjusting the consistency of our sabaw later. So we'll just have to bring this to a boil and add in our fried Seitan. And I also have some fried meat magic as well. So just to combine this with our Seitan. Okay guys, so I needed to transfer from a much bigger container so I can mix everything. So our base is already boiling that much, and it's time for us to put in our magic meat. Magic meat first. Okay. That's it. And our fried gluten or our fried Seitan. Just put in everything. And just mix everything in so the flavors will combine that well. Alright guys, so we are just simmering our vegan humba, and we'll just have to turn the fire off, and that's it. So tanawa guys, nasa chay tambok-tambok nga po chay panit punuhay. This looks like meat, and it also tastes like meat. So let's take some. Some unod. And some of our Azucenas here. Let's top it up with our bell pepper, red bell pepper. Alright guys, so this is it. This is our version of vegan humba. So that it's already offered, guys. So you just have to adjust the taste according to your preference. So before we go, guys, I hope you learned something from our video today. For more vegetarian and vegan recipe, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, Barbz Kitchen, and click the bell icon for more videos. Bye!